Big Flex. I think it's a Big 5 Flex actually. These are a disposable razor and they're highly rated on Amazon, so I figured I'd give it a shot today. I'm gonna give it a fighting chance though. I'm gonna use Sterling Soap Executive Man just to, you know, Sterling Soap just gives you such a slick lather, so I want to give it a honest review. So let's start it up here. So I'm gonna take my brush, load it up with some soap. All right, so got that loaded up. I'm gonna apply it to my shave bowl. Get a nice lather. Now I haven't shaved with a cartridge razor in, wow, a month and a half. So it's a brand new blade. And I will link down below where you can get one on Amazon. I think it was $17 and some odd cents for 5 blades and the razor itself. All right, so we got a good lather there. And on the brush as well. Put some water on my face. All right, we'll start going here. So I'm going to shave like I do when I shave with the Merkur 34C. I'm going to shave the exact same way to give this a fighting chance. So, razors heated up. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's tugging already. I have about a 3-day growth going on right now. Now this one, this razor, this Bic razor, compared to the Merkur 34C has 5 razor blades on it. Whereas, so basically every stroke I take, that's 5 blades. Whereas the Merkur 34C HD, it's just 1 blade. So, you know what I mean? You'd have to go over it 5 times to achieve 1 pass with this. So now to the other side. Pretty good. Again, disposable razors are always good the first day, I think, other than my neck. So with the green on my neck, having to press a lot harder than I do with a double-edged razor blade. With the green on the neck. Okay, that was a pretty good first pass. Okay, first pass, Pretty good pass. There's still some stubble up top. Obviously my neck, yeah, ton of stubble down there. So let's go in for the second pass. Now normally without using, you know, nice shave soap, I would have just gone a million different directions on my face without putting more shaving cream on my face, which, you know, for me, would have led into razor burn. So again, like I said, I'm gonna give this a honest review and chance. You can see the sterling soap. It's slick. Beautiful soap. So second pass, I'm gonna go across the grain. Not really getting much this way. Well, there's a little bit there. Okay. All right, so another good pass. Up top, a little bit of a stubble still. Neck, obviously, a lot of stubble. So third and final pass with the grain. Probably not even gonna shave my lip area again. That's pretty well good. Wow guys, I'm gonna tell you, I can't recommend this soap enough. I mean, look at the sheen on that. It's amazing. And with this razor, I guarantee it's helping it out. All right, so against the grain. Yeah, that was good. Lip area, I mean, it's fine. Yeah, there's nothing. Hey, there's 5 razors on here. I would have never gone that many passes over it with a double-edged razor. All right, against the grain, below the jaw. There's a lot there. You can see that moisturizing strip on the razor. The yellow part on it is working. It's definitely activated against the grain. This is where, yeah, see it's, yeah, oh. This is where I always would get razor burn from the razor. Okay. All right, all in all, that was a good shave. Now again, that was the first shave with this razor. So let me clean it up. Okay. Going over my face, BBS, Baby Butt Smooth up top on the cheeks. A lot of irritation down here. I still feel stubble. I'm not gonna go at it again because I don't want to get razor burn again. I mean, I'm probably gonna have it and it's gonna take, you know, a couple days to just recoup from that. I am gonna use the alum block still. Yeah, burning on the lip, on the cheeks. Oh God, yeah. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, got my neck really good. One of the reasons why I switched to a double-edged razor. Oh man. Oh. Okay. All right. All that good. I'm gonna go through my whole regimen. So I'm gonna still be using Nivea shaving balm, real cheap on Amazon, which again I will link it below in the description. All right, so my conclusion is this. Yeah, the shave is good up here. Is my face irritated? Oh yeah. Is my neck irritated? Oh yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's still burning down here. I cut it up really good. I'll comment in the I'll comment below and let you know in 10-15 minutes what it really does feel like down there. But again, these are, you know, this is probably what a lot of people are buying. $17 for the razor and 5 disposable blades. That's a pretty decent price. So yeah, we'll comment down below. It does pivot 40 degrees, I read on Amazon. So yeah, it was an okay shave. It did what it was supposed to do. Does it leave my sensitive skin irritated? Yes, it does. Especially in the neck. I can already, you know, it still burns. So if you like this video and the content I'm putting out, please hit the like button. And I have a ton of other videos with using double-edged razors. Go ahead and give them a look. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.